Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, my dear students. I hope you are all doing well. I welcome you all in class of O-level mathematics. Lastly, we discussed the concept of probability. In today's lecture, we will discuss the following topics: concept of sample space and events, and second, I will discuss the short trick to make a sample space of two or more coins and dice in a short time. So let us start. How can we define a sample space? Sample space. Collection of all possible outcomes of a probability experiment is called sample space. So this is the simple definition. When you perform any probability experiment, then clearly it has some possible outcomes. If you collect all these possible outcome in the form of set, then that set or collection represent the sample space of that probability experiment. In the set language, we can say that the sample space is a universal set, usually denoted by capital letter S. For example, when we toss a coin, then now there are the only two possibilities. Either it will be head or tail. So the sample space for a single coin is the set that has the two elements, head and tail. In case when you roll a die, then you have six possible outcomes. It will be either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next, when you toss in case of two coins, the total possible outcomes are possible outcomes are 2 raised to power 2, that is equal to 4. So to make the sample space in case of two coins, you will write the outcome of one coin at the top and one coin at this side. Now if you combine the outcome of both coins, the first outcome will be head head, that represent the same face on two coins. When you combine head with tail, your outcome will be head tail. Similarly, when you combine tail with head, the third outcome will be tail head, and the last will be when you combine tail with tail, this is tail tail. So the sample space in case of two coin consists on the set that has the four elements: head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. Suppose I have a three coins, then the total possible outcomes are for three coins. Total possible outcomes given by 2 raised to power 3. This is equal to 8. So if I have a n number of coins, then your formula is outcomes on a single coin raised to power total number of coins. Total number of coins. Number of coins. For example, if I have 4 coins, then the total outcomes will be 2 raised to power 4, that is equal to 16. If I have a 7 coin, then total possible outcomes will be 2 raised to power 7. So now, if you want to make the sample space for these three coins, the first method is that I hope you know. Firstly, we will write the sample space of these two coins at the top, and then we will combine these outcomes with the third coin, head and tail, like this. I will make a table here for my convenience. I am writing at the top the sample space of two coins, that is head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail, and the outcomes of the third coin are head and tail. Now when you combine head with head, this will be head head head. These are the three heads. When you combine this head with this outcome head tail, this is equal to head head tail. When you will combine this head with this tail head, this becomes head tail head, and lastly head tail tail. Similarly, you can combine the tail with each of these outcome. The first outcome will be tail head head. This is tail head tail, tail tail head, tail tail tail. So these are the total 8 outcomes that you can write in the form of set. Now I am going to share a short trick to make the sample space fastly for any number of coins without finding the sample space of previous number of coins. For example, if I want to make the sample space of 4 coins, sample space of 4 coins, my dear students, first you know the total outcomes on a single coins are head and tail. These are the two outcomes on a single coins. I have to make the sample space of 4 coins. The total possible outcomes will be total possible outcomes in case when you toss 4 coins are 2 raised to power 4, which is equal to 16. So the short trick says that firstly, what is the previous number than 4? The previous number than 4 is 3. So you will write 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 0. What is 2 raised to power 3? This is 8. 2 raised to power, this is 4. 2 raised to power 1, this is 2. 2 raised to power 0, this is 1. Now what does 8, 4 and 2 and 1 represent? So firstly I write here, this is serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is my outcome. This is serial number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And this is my outcome. Now, what does mean by this 8? This 8 shows that you will write each of these outcome, that is either head or tail, firstly 8 time. I mean to say, first you will write head 8 time, head, 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 head. Now next you will write tail, 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 tail. Next at the second place, this is 4. This shows that we will write each of these outcome 4 times first. That is head, 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 head. Next, we will start from tail, 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 tail. Again, we start from head, 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 head. Again, we start from tail, 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 tail. The third place is filled by 2. It shows that now I will write each outcome by 2 times, head, head. Now I will repeat tail, tail. Again head, head, tail, tail, head, head, tail, tail, head, head, tail, tail. 1. The last position is filled by 1. This shows that I will write each outcome 1 time only. Head, tail, 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 head, tail. So in this way you can make the sample space of any number of coins with the short time. Suppose if I have 5 coins, then total possible outcome will be 2 raised to power 5. This is equal to 32. The short trick says that you will write 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 0. That is equal to 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. At the first place, firstly you will write each of the outcome 16 times. Then you will will reach at the second place. At the second place you will reach each outcome 8 times and continue this procedure till to the last place. So I hope you will enjoy from this short trick. Next, this short trick you can use for in case of dice. For example, if I have a 2 dice, now total possible outcomes are outcomes on 2 dice. 2 dice are given by what is the number of outcome on a single die. This is equal to 6. Number of dies are 2, so the total possible outcomes are 36. The first method says that you will write the outcome of a both first die at top here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I am writing the possible outcomes of other die here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now combine each outcome uh, one by one. When you combine one with this one, this is 1 comma 1 that represent the same face on both dies. The next outcome is 1 comma 2, that is 1 2. Next is 1 comma 3. The first die has a 1 and the second die has 3. 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Similarly, when you combine 2 with this one, I have outcome 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, up to so on 2 comma 6. Similarly, you can fill all of the possible outcomes. For example, if I combine 6 with 1, this will be 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, up to so on 6 comma 6. You can use the short trick that I have discussed above for the case of die also. The total possible outcome for a single die are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total possible outcome 6 raised to power 2, that is 36. To use short trick, what is the previous number? Then 2, this is 1, this is 6 raised to power 1, 6 raised to power 0, 6 raised to power 1, this is 6, 6 raised to power 0, this is 1. This shows that firstly you will write each outcome of on a single die 6 times. The first outcome on a single die is 1, so you will write 1 6 times. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Next we will repeat 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Then you write 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Then you will write 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Next 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Now you will write each outcome one time. This one represent that. Now you will write each outcome one time. That is, the first outcome is 1. This is 1 1. Next is 2 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the 6 outcome when the first spot is 1. Similarly, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, you can fill all other outcomes here. So this is the concept of sample space. I hope now you have a clear understanding about sample space. Next, I'm discussing about what is the event. Event. This is the possible outcome of an experiment is called an event. In other words, in the form of set, you can say that a subset of a sample space is called an event. It is usually denoted by capital letters A, B, C, etc. For example, I say when you toss a coin and the event A represent head, occurrence of head. Then your event A is simply a set that has a single element H. Similarly, suppose I say B represent occurrence of same faces on two coins. There are the four possible outcomes, and out of these four possible outcomes on two coins, there are the only two possible outcomes that have the same faces. Either this is head or both are tail. So this represent B, and you clearly see here this is the subset of the total sample space formed by two coins, tail, sorry. Suppose I say E represent occurrence of same faces on two dice. Then the set notation of E is given by simply 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. So this is the simple concept of event. I hope you have a now clear understanding about event sample space, how to make the sample space of two or more than two coins and a dice. So inshallah in the next lecture I will discuss probability of an event. That is very interesting topic of O-level mathematics. So if you find this lecture is helpful in any way, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.